Maintaining a beard is no easy task, and finding the right products can make all the difference. Whether you're battling dryness, itchiness, or unruly hairs, a quality beard oil can transform your grooming routine. Today, we'll walk through the top 5 beard oils, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Stick around to discover the best beard oil for your needs, whether you're a seasoned beardsman or just starting your journey. Kicking off our list at number 1, the Art of Shaving Beard Oil. The Art of Shaving Beard Oil is a premium grooming product designed to soften and nourish facial hair while hydrating the skin underneath. It's particularly crafted for those seeking a luxurious, high-quality experience in their beard care routine. Key features: this beard oil boasts a blend of argan oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil, enriched with essential oils for a light, refreshing scent. It's free of synthetic dyes and parabens, making it a great option for men with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the deeply hydrating formula reduces beard itch and flakiness, promoting healthier hair growth and a softer texture. To use, apply a few drops to your hands, rub them together, and massage the oil evenly through your beard, focusing on the skin underneath. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy texture makes it easy to apply without leaving a heavy residue. It absorbs quickly into the beard and skin, providing instant softness and hydration. It works well for all beard lengths and types. Durability: with just a few drops needed per application, the 1-ounce bottle lasts for weeks of daily use. The sturdy, elegant packaging adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine, whether at home or on the go. In the second spot, we have Mountaineer brand beard oil. Mountaineer brand beard oil is an all-natural solution crafted for men who value organic and chemical-free grooming products. Known for its affordability and effectiveness, it's a go-to option for those seeking a reliable everyday oil. Key features: made with a blend of grapeseed oil, almond oil, and castor oil, this beard oil is free from artificial fragrances, parabens, and sulfates. It features a woodsy scent derived from cedarwood, fir needle, and eucalyptus essential oils. Benefits and usage: this oil tames unruly hairs, reduces dryness, and provides a subtle, masculine scent. To use, apply 3 to 5 drops to your palm, rub your hands together, and massage into your beard and skin for even distribution. Usability: its lightweight formula absorbs easily, leaving the beard feeling soft and manageable without a greasy residue. The natural ingredients make it suitable for men with sensitive or allergy-prone skin. Durability: packaged in a generously sized bottle, it offers great value for money and lasts for months with consistent use. The compact, travel-friendly design ensures it's easy to carry wherever you go. Coming in at number 3 is the Wild Willies Beard Oil. Wild Willies Beard Oil is a popular choice for men who want a beard oil with vitamins and essential oils for maximum nourishment. It's specially formulated to promote healthy beard growth and reduce itchiness. Key features: this oil combines a range of natural ingredients, including tea tree oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. It's free of synthetic additives, and the addition of peppermint oil gives it a refreshing scent and cooling sensation. Benefits and usage: Wild Willies Beard Oil hydrates the beard and skin, reduces dandruff, and encourages thicker, healthier beard growth. Apply 2 to 3 drops to your hands, rub them together, and massage into your beard, reaching the roots for optimal benefits. Usability: its lightweight consistency makes it easy to spread evenly, and the quick absorption ensures no greasy afterfeel. It's ideal for men with patchy beards or those looking to stimulate growth in sparse areas. Durability: a little goes a long way with this concentrated formula, ensuring the bottle lasts for weeks of daily use. The durable packaging and precision dropper make it convenient for both home and travel. Taking our 4th spot is Viking Revolution Beard Oil. Viking Revolution Beard Oil is a versatile and budget-friendly option designed for men who want a no-fuss grooming product that delivers results. It's perfect for softening coarse beards and relieving itchiness. Key features: formulated with argan oil and jojoba oil, this oil is all natural, unscented, and free from synthetic additives. Its fragrance-free formula makes it suitable for men who prefer a neutral scent or those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. This oil provides intense hydration, making the beard softer and more manageable. It also reduces beard dandruff and prevents split ends. Use 2 to 4 drops depending on your beard length, massage into your hands, and distribute evenly through your beard. Usability. Its lightweight, non-greasy texture ensures easy application and quick absorption. The unscented formula is especially appealing to those who use cologne or prefer their beard oil to remain subtle. Durability. The 1-ounce bottle offers excellent longevity, lasting for weeks even with daily use. Its compact and sturdy design makes it perfect for travel, ensuring your beard stays groomed wherever you are. And finally, at number 5, we have Smooth Viking Beard Oil. Smooth Viking Beard Oil is a high-performance grooming product tailored for men seeking smooth, shiny, and healthy beards. Its fast-acting formula is designed to tackle dryness and unruliness. Key features. This oil features a blend of avocado oil, argan oil, olive oil, and pumpkin seed oil, enriched with vitamin E for added nourishment. It's free from parabens and artificial fragrances, ensuring a natural and safe application. Benefits and usage. Smooth Viking Beard Oil hydrates the beard and skin, reduces itching, and enhances the overall appearance of your facial hair. Apply 3 to 5 drops, warm between your palms, and massage into your beard and skin for best results. Usability. The smooth consistency spreads evenly, making it ideal for all beard lengths and textures. Its subtle, natural scent is pleasant without being overpowering, appealing to most users. Durability. With just a few drops per use, the bottle offers long-lasting value. The sturdy packaging and secure dropper cap ensure easy, mess-free application, whether at home or while traveling. A well-maintained beard not only looks great but feels great too, and the right beard oil is key to achieving that. From the luxurious formula of the art of shaving to the budget-friendly Viking revolution, there's an option here for every man and every beard type. Don't forget to choose a product that aligns with your specific needs, whether it's hydration, growth, or overall grooming. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and grooming tips. See you next time.